Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. What about you? How is it going?
I'm good. Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too.
How was your week?
Chilling. I was resting actually, and I was thinking about having a conversation or a listen about phrasal verbs. Like I said with the last minutes with our class.
Okay. Do some
Yeah.
phrasal verbs. Okay, let me see. I think I have one in my library.
Yeah, that's very good for me because I have a list, but it's like for maybe 100 phrasal verbs. So, but I want this is my first class about phrasal verbs.
Hmm.
So I want to know about the most common phrasal verb that you guys use it in your daily life.
Okay. The most common phrasal verbs.
Yeah, that's better.
Mm,
That's very better now.
okay. I'm going to send you a link. Let me know if you get it, okay?
Okay. Hello again.
Hello?
I don't know what happened.
It wouldn't let me connect our calls for some reason. Like, yeah, I would get your calls and then I would try to answer it and it would not let me. I'm really sorry. I don't know why that did that.
I
My
think I
internet.
think I think not just your internet because maybe Cambly has an issues because sadly I saw myself my account logged out.
Oh, weird. Maybe
Yeah.
then. I don't know. Something like that happened to me yesterday where it just
Hmm.
would not connect a call. So maybe Cambly is like changing something on their platform and it kind of messes up the calls a little
Maybe
bit.
maybe they're updating their system.
Yeah, maybe. I feel bad. I only have 2 minutes now until my next reservation. I'm not going to be able to finish it with you. I'm very sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. So okay, I have a list of phrasal verbs, and
Hmm.
we can discuss mm, okay, let me pick out something. Oh, move out. What does
To
that
move
mean?
out. So if
Yeah.
you're moving out, that means you're leaving your home. So it's like if
Uh-huh.
you're moving out of your house. So you have to pack up all of your things and you're moving to the next location. You're moving out.
Uh-huh. I'm moving out. Yeah.
Yep.
I move to another apartment or another house.
Yep. And you move in to the next one. So the house that you're leaving, you move out from. And the house that you're going to next, you move into. So yeah, I moved into this house 2 years ago. Or I think I'm going to move out of this house next week. So that's how you say it. You're leaving a house and going to the next one.
Okay.